Paul Pogba is set to miss Manchester United's Premier League fixture with Liverpool through injury.The 24-year-old suffered a gash to his thigh in training at United's Carrington base on Friday and did not arrive with teammates at the Lowry Hotel on Friday night. Pogba is believed to have cancelled a planned social engagement after training in an attempt to recover for today's visit of Liverpool. United also reserved a room for the Frenchman at the Lowry in the event he declared himself fit, but Pogba is understood to be out. Pogba's absence provides United manager Jose Mourinho with a major midfield dilemma. Marouane Fellaini is fit again, but has only started once for United in the last 5 months amid ongoing knee issues. The 30-year-old underwent knee surgery last month and has not played since the defeat at Tottenham on January 31. Ander Herrera is still sidelined with a hamstring injury, and club captain Michael Carrick has not started a Premier League game since May. Scott McTominay may retain his place despite being substituted at half-time against Crystal Palace on Monday. It is unclear whether Fellaini will take Pogba's place in the squad, after he was also not spotted at the Lowry on Friday night with teammates. Mourinho prompted 19-year-old Ethan Hamilton to replace Pogba after he succumbed to illness on the eve of the Huddersfield FA Cup tie 3 weeks ago. Hamilton started in the under-23s win over Liverpool at Anfield last night and made the bench at Huddersfield, having featured for the second string the previous evening.